Good morning. May pips be upon you. Can I talk to you a minute about pound Swiss? All right. Look, I don't, it's not, don't force anything today. This is NFP Friday. This is not a day to be forcing anything. I'm just telling you what I'm looking at. All right. It's not really, it's just an idea. Okay. So don't think I'm getting crazy. All right. Now, look, this is what I want to show you. I got a trend line on the daily. You see the points of contact here, and then a breakthrough here. Now, am I starting to say, hey, in this bearish market, is it starting to turn bullish? Look how, the trend line. Wow. Look how the trend line is down here, right? We got a down market. All right. Why am I looking for buys? Do I think the market has turned? All right. Is this constitute a break of structure? You know, it's a very interesting question. Now you see, I have some uh, EMAs on there. I have the 200. I have the 50, 200, 50, and the 20. We are above the 200, which means I would be looking for buys. That's just me now. You see how the EMAs are coming together here? All right. I'm thinking that, yeah, once we break to the upside of this trend line, this magic trend line, that we should be looking for buys. All right. We no longer need that. Okay. All right. I like to look at the price action. Uh, you know, this is that we've been on this on the up and up since the uh, the 11th of December in 2020. So I am looking up. I'm looking, for buys here. I'm looking to go long, and we broke the that trend line that has been respected for quite some time. All right. Now, also, I just want you to know this is a magic trend line, meaning there's no magic to them. They're subjective. They can be arbitrary. You gotta. It's just a little bit of a confirmation for me. Uh, uh, so it's nothing to put a lot of weight on unless it coincides with a daily, well, not even a daily, but a key level of support and resistance horizontally. And I have a daily level marked here clearly, and at 1.26, 1.26 hundred, and you can see that's a whole number for me, the double zeros, and so it's pretty important to the banks to leave resting orders. All right, so here I am. All right, now what I also notice that we have a bullish response to this level. So I'm going to go down to the 4 hour so I can get a better look at it. Right? What do we got on the 4 hour? Oh my! Look at those three candles. What do I look for? I look for rejections. Right? Look for rejections. We got some rejections here, two of them. Then we come into the level, and then we are rising out of it. But what I like to see is a bullish engulfer. All right. You can call that an engulfer if you want to, but I don't like when I see the rejections. All right. And the first thing I start to think is, let's take a closer look at that. And then I say, okay, where does that close and the open go? We got a level here. Can you dig that? Not hard to see, right? So now I'm thinking, oh man, do I go with this as the level of resistance or this? Because we broke this level. We broke this level here. All right. We broke this level here and then came back and retested it. Came back and retested it. And we're having a little bit of rejection here. So this is on the 4 hour level. So I want to take a closer look at that. I'm going down to the 2 hour. Yeah. All right. So we got this. We got this rejection from down here, from down under this doggone resistance level. All right. We closed at that level. All right. Came back, came over it, retested. And you know, I like my breaking retests and my breaking retests. And I am looking for the next. I'm looking for this candle to close. I'm looking for the open of the next candle and how it reacts here. What I'm looking for here is bullish price action. We are getting bullish price action overall, but I need it at this level, and we are rejecting. Great. This candle doesn't close for another hour and 28 minutes. All right, so it's a pretty fresh candle. If we take a look at the 1 hour, see that rejection? Hold on. Let me get rid of this. All right. You see this rejection? See how it's rejecting? This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. More rejection, but I need a nice bullish candle to get me up out of here. I need a bullish to go for a momentum candle, a bullish momentum candle, very much like this one, but I'd like to see it on a higher time frame. All right. The hour is good. The hour is good. And we're probably not going to get that bullish and gopher until after NFP, probably. But just understand something that the strength on this strength meter, this is a pretty good one. I don't use these as uh, a reason to enter or leave a trade, but you can see pound the pound is the strongest on the chart. Yeah, pound is the strongest on the chart, and uh, well, just more stronger than a lot stronger than that. Its its counterpart here, the Swiss. So uh, I'm looking for this. I'm looking for this, and maybe we can get uh, a nice bullish candle to take us to the upside. I love this break and retest from this level, and we can see if we can get a candle to break break the high of this candle, especially if it breaks both. I will be taking a buy here on the 4 hour. Okay, I think that happens probably after NFP, and that'd be the safest time to buy. I'm keeping an eye on this rejection candle here. All right, you know that might have to be reckoned with, because if you go over, I like this. I like this level because you can see that when price does visit here, there's a bullish reaction, right? If we take this zone all the way over, you can see that we have that bullish reaction over here. Okay, so I feel pretty good about taking a buy there. So we'll see how this goes. We will see how this goes, and I hope that you trade carefully today. This is a good time to be on the sideline, not to force anything, but I'm going to watch this one, and I'm going to have one ready to go in case in case things start to look good. All right, in case things start to look good, I'm going to have one ready to go. You know what I'm saying? All right, because there's a bunch of pips to get. I think we can get 100 pips out of this. Yeah, this would be my target. Yeah, 100 pips. We can get 2.91, almost 3R on this trade. Just make sure you're below structure. I would have it around here under this one. And you can see all the rejection here. So I feel pretty good that my stop loss would be protected. we'll see what happens. Okay.